Every single minute, the equivalent of a garbage truck full of plastic enters our oceans. Right now, millions of pounds of plastic are floating across the world's oceans, slowly breaking into tiny pieces that threaten marine life every single day. But here's the shocking part. That same plastic can be transformed into brand new products inside some of the world's most advanced recycling factories. The journey is incredible, and it starts far from any factory. Every day, specialized cleanup boats patrol rivers, coastlines, and ocean cleanup zones, collecting floating plastic before it spreads even farther. Along beaches, thousands of volunteers and professional cleanup teams remove bottles, containers, fishing nets, and other plastic waste. In the United States alone, millions of plastic bottles are used every day, making proper recycling more important than ever. Everything collected is compressed into huge bales and loaded onto trucks headed for recycling facilities. Here's something amazing. A single cleanup operation can remove thousands of pounds of plastic in just one day. Once the plastic arrives at the factory, the real transformation begins. Conveyor belts carry dirty plastic through automated sorting systems. Powerful optical scanners identify different types of plastic within milliseconds. Jets of compressed air instantly separate each material into its correct category. Workers remove items that machines cannot recycle safely. The remaining plastic enters enormous industrial washing systems. High-pressure water, rotating scrubbers, and special cleaning solutions remove sand, salt, algae, labels, and years of dirt. The wastewater is filtered and reused in many modern recycling plants, reducing waste even further. Some recycling factories can clean and process hundreds of thousands of pounds of plastic every single day. Now comes one of the most satisfying parts of the entire process. Clean plastic moves into enormous industrial shredding machines. Powerful steel blades tear bottles into tiny plastic flakes within seconds. Those flakes are washed once again before entering giant drying systems. Next, the dry flakes move into massive extrusion machines. Inside these machines, carefully controlled heat melts the plastic into a thick liquid. The molten plastic passes through precision filters that remove even the smallest remaining impurities. Finally, the purified plastic is cut into thousands of tiny uniform pellets. These small pellets become the raw material used to manufacture brand new products. Believe it or not, a plastic bottle floating in the ocean today could become something completely different in just a few weeks. So what are these recycled pellets used for? The answer might surprise you. Manufacturers use them to produce new bottles, clothing, shoes, outdoor furniture, food containers, storage bins, carpets, construction materials, and even parts for cars. Many global companies now use recycled ocean plastic in selected products as part of their sustainability efforts. What once polluted the ocean can return to everyday life with an entirely new purpose. But the truth is simple. Recycling alone cannot solve the plastic problem. Reducing plastic waste and preventing it from reaching rivers and oceans is just as important. Every bottle recycled means one less piece of plastic threatening marine life. It's incredible to think that yesterday's ocean trash can become tomorrow's useful product. Now here's a question for you. If you could eliminate one type of single-use plastic forever, what would it be and why? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy factory documentaries, giant industrial machines, and amazing recycling technology, subscribe for more videos revealing how everyday waste is transformed into something extraordinary.